welcome back to Weeby Kids. I'm Annie, and in this session we are going to be looking at how to make the beautiful, wonderful Stick Boggart! So, Stick Boggarts, lots of fun and super easy to do. Take your stick and take yourself about a palm's worth full of mud or clay. Then you're going to take your stick and push it into the clay and mold the clay round a little bit onto the top of the stick. Form the head shape. And then it's a case of taking whichever objects and items you have to use and create as a face. I've got a couple of acorn tops, so I can use those as eyes. Then I'm also going to give it a nose. I'm going to use, oh, yep, that's perfect. I can try that. Let's push that in to our clay. And I think I might give this one a beard. So if you're going to go with beard, you can use, obviously, moss is a wonderful resource for this, but it doesn't always stick particularly well. If you're going to do it, you're going to need to wet up the surface that you are going to be sticking to. And if you take a pokey stick, and then you can scratch into the surface of the clay to give it a little bit of something to attach onto, stick into. And then you can attach some moss. I'm going to get a nice beard there. Now we mustn't forget that our stick boggarts are three-dimensional. So we can also turn our boggarts around, and we can do the same on the other side. Apply a bit of water and use the pokey stick again. We can create a surface for the moss to stick into. And then we can just stick our moss into that. Now for moss that is really struggling to stay stuck, you can also take yourself a piece of twine and just wrap that on around the base. And if you wanted to, you could, I'm going to do that. I'm going to just tie in some little beard embellishments there. You can either leave the tails hanging or you can snip them off at the end. And this takes me round to Boggart, still needing some hair. Actually, I'm going to give him some ears, and I've got these really nice little leaves here, and I'm going to push those in. They're going to be a bit like, ooh, a bit like an animal almost. And then I'm going to give him some sticks here. I think it looks a bit like an antler. I might put that one in here. Got another like that. Yep, one that's roughly antlerish looking. There we go. And then I've got some little sticks, which I can just hook in around. And you could use feathers or some cones or some beech nuts. Really, it depends on what you have. And there we have it. A stick boggart to be proud of, to stick by your front door, or you can take them outdoors and you can do some role play with them. I am Mr. Stick Boggart. Make as many of these as you want. Make one for each member of your family, but have fun. Take care. Bye from Weeby Kids.